Good morning, my dear student. Today we discuss about the sterility indicators. Just after the discussion of sterilization by the chemical, physical and mechanical process. After the sterilization, that must be complied, it is sterile or not, and that is determined by the sterility indicators. And various sterility indicators are used for the sterility test, the different method. Basically, the sterility indicators are the sterility assurance. In case of mechanical process, in case of chemical process, in biological process, and in the combined result also. So sterility assurance, just like a quality assurance, here the sterilization can be done by the sterility assurance. The mechanical indicator used for the sterility assurance or sterility indicator. What is happening is whether the conditioner, beginner, mid and cycle, time, temperature and pressure, everything should be noted by these indicators. And recording the thermometer for cycle graph and computer printers for the paper strips, gauges, jacket and chamber pressure. If the condition were not met, consider load unsterile and do not use the sterile until the problem is identified. Monitor or location is sterilization and do not monitor the each pack of the tray and do not indicate the sterility. Next is come to the know what is chemical indicator. In this case, the indicator used as a chemical form. The monitor one or more requirements, time, temperature and sterilant. That means which material is be sterilized, and can be external and internal give result also. In this procedure, you can use the chemical indicator for the internal as well as the external procedure. Indicated proper condition of the sterilization were present. An external chemical indicator which indicates the process indicator in case of autoclave taps, distinguish process from the unprocessed medical devices, secure pack and label packs. If the indicator did not change, do not use it. So if the did not change, if any change, that the sterilizer you can use it. Internal chemical indicator, it is used just inside the package, tray or the container. Paper strip or the card are used for the sterilization and validates sterilant preparation also, and color change strip or moving font format, and it can measures all process parameters and indicators. CI advantage, there is some advantages of this chemical indicator in case of mechanical internal process. Detects the incorrect packaging, incorrect loading, malfunction of the sterilizer, easy to retrieve and read, and do not tell you that the spore are killed, and do not tell you that the item is sterile. So chemical indicator is used both the case in the internal as well as the external. Chemical indicator, these are the strip, paper strip were used if for the sterilant. If the color changes or not, that should be determined the whether it is sterile or not. Then another most important indicator, biological indicator. There is a more maximum use for the sterility purpose, the biological indicator, and confirm the ability of the sterilization process to kill the microbial spores also. In that sterilization or in this indicator, including the microbial spores and large number of spores, integrate all the parameters of the sterilization process, and most critical test for the sterilization process, and CSA required routine monitoring daily by the biological indicators for the sterilization process. The biological sterilization, that means here the biological agent are used for this indicators, that's why it is called the biological indicators. In case of dry heat sterilization, Bacillus subtilis, ethylene oxide gas sterilization, Bacillus subtilis, and moist sterilization, Bacillus stauros thermophilus, sterilization by radiation, Bacillus pumilus. So this is very important information regarding the biological indicator, and all the student I request you to remember it, which organism used for the which type of sterilization. In case of biological indicator, the routine monitoring of the steam sterilization test pack indicated the BI contain the Bacillus stereothermophilus and performed daily, and every blood contain the implant of the devices. Placement and near the drain in fully loaded sterilization. Basically, this is done by the autoclave sterilization or moisture sterilization. Then routine monitoring of the ethylene oxide gas sterilization EO test pack include the BI contain Bacillus subtilis and perform every load. And placement center of normally loaded sterilization biological indicator test pack. The generally this is the test pack, and generally after the test is gone, generally Bodick type of test to determine the it is sterile or not, and detect the entrapped air in the vacuum assisted sterilizers or not for the gravity, and measure the steam penetration, how much amount of steam is penetrated into the wall or any sterile material. Run daily, and test pack can be house or commercially prepared. Run and warm up for the cycle first time, and place test pack and the empty sterilization over the drain 136 degrees centigrade for 3.5 to 4 minutes, and uniform color changes and written in the records. This is very important, must be record must be maintained. Bodick test result: if the color change not uniform, repeated test and shut down and call repair person and retest. If uniform color change, used to sterilization, that means the if the color change is the uniform, that means the sterilizer is okay, but the not change this color uniform, the sterilizer is defective, and you can recall the person to rectify it. In the chemical indicator and CSA recommended Bodick test daily. External each pack, tray and container. Internal each pack, tray and container. Biological indicator and CS recommended in case of steam daily every load with an implantable devices. Flash method every daily every load with an implantable devices. Ethylene oxide every load. Installation and repair testing performed before the sterilization release for the use, after major repair or relocation, after explanation of the sterility failure, after changes in the sterilant supply, and annually. 3 cycle by BI test pack and yielding 3 negative results, a vacuum 3 cycle with the Bodick test pack. Sterilization process by monitoring. Which type of record will be must be keep? Record keeping. Document of all the material have been processed and the result for the sterilization process monitor, and product labeling, lot or load control number, processing date, sterilization number and cycle number, and experiment statement, event related and time related. All these parameter can be recorded, must be for further investigation. Load records. In case of date, time of this all the cycles, measures times, temperature, load contents, initial of the operators, those are operated the machine, BI results and CI results, record of the sterilization, maintenance and calibration of the repair, and product recall. If the microorganism is at the sports and do not further testing, initial record and request sterilization service as needed. Written recall order and written paper must be recorded in your file. Recall procedure: if possible, positive BI, receive record, quarantine load, notify the maintenance personnel, identify the microbial plus BI, and if contamination occurred and record is okay, release load. And containing the education regarding this, record maintain, quality patient care, review of the CSA standard, know your hospital policies and ask your question, and keep learning. So these are the references textbook for better and further details of this biological indicator as well as the indicator used for the sterilization. So thank you everybody for listening the lecture. Thank you all. If any query, please comment your Google Classroom, and if you like it, please like me for your like comments. Okay, thank you everybody.